Our custom designer or wardrobe supervisor will require sufficient time to organize and assemble all the wardrobes needed for our show. We need to budget 4 weeks for the costume designer during pre-production, 8 weeks for principal photography, and 2 weeks to return wardrobe items for repairs, cleaning, and dyeing. In addition, let's assign a wardrobe assistant for 3 weeks of prep, 8 weeks of principal photography, and 1 week to assist with wardrobe returns. To ensure proper wardrobe changes on set, let's allocate a set customer to be present at all times during principal photography. The wardrobe department may need to hire outside seamstresses and tailors to accomplish the necessary tasks. This can include creating custom pieces, altering existing costumes, and ensuring that all wardrobe items are properly fitted and maintained throughout the production. We will also need to provide the wardrobe department with a storage area during pre-production where they can store and tag the wardrobe items. For the tailor-seamstress category, we can classify them as day players and allocate a budget for 20 days at a rate of $200 per day. Let's allocate an additional $2,800 to cover the costs of all additional daily wardrobe crew members. To cover the costs of wardrobe cleaning and dyeing, let's allocate a budget of $2,500 for each respectively. This will ensure that all wardrobe items are properly maintained and ready for use throughout the production period. Under the shop rental category, let's allocate $700 per week for a rental period of 4 weeks. During principal photography, the wardrobe department will relocate to its own trailer on set. Our project, The Sex Appeal of an AI, will require a significant amount of wardrobe and wardrobe accessories. To cover these expenses, we will allocate $15,000 for rental items and an additional $15,000 for purchasing necessary wardrobe items. Based on my past experience, the rental and purchase expenses are expected to be similar. We can also include a weekly box rental fee of $150 for both the costume designer and first assistant. Under materials and supplies, we can allocate an additional $2,500 to cover the cost of expendables needed for the wardrobe operation, such as equipment for climate control and other features to protect the wardrobe from damage due to temperature or humidity fluctuations. During one of my previous productions, there was a scene where our main female lead had to wear a very expensive dress. Unfortunately, the dress got stained during filming, and it ended up costing us $3,000 to have it removed. This serves as a reminder to pay extra attention to the wardrobe items on set, as they can become soiled or damaged quite easily. It may not be as visible as a broken HMI bulb, but the cost can be just as significant. We should allocate $2,500 to cover the wardrobe deductibles for our insurance policy. Now that we have covered the wardrobe department, let's move on to the makeup and hairdressing department.